Well, we made it. We are in San Antonio,
Yeah.
and we are standing in front of one of America's greatest landmarks, and I'm getting ready to show it to you. But first, this thing, well, it's got a lot in common with me because my wife has said this twice in our lifetime. First time when she saw me, you know what, and second time in front of the Alamo, what did you say?
I said, it's so small.
It's so small. All right, there you go, folks. The Alamo, San Antonio, Texas. We're going to go in and check out the Alamo, folks. 1836, thousands and thousands of Mexicans besieged the place with Sam Houston fending them off like a badass. That's why they named a knife after him, the Bowie knife. I'm in the Alamo gift shop. Of course, everything has to be commercialized. I hate when they do it, but there's no way to stop it. And no, I'm not buying any t-shirts or hats that say the Alamo. It will reside in my memory.
Hey, we just went in the Alamo, and one of the chief commanders that led the forces against the Mexicans was named William Barrett Travis, and he's from South Carolina, and his grandmother or grandfather, we don't know which yet, on his mother's side was a Barrett. So we're going to see what we can find out about where he came from in South Carolina.
All right, now hold on a second. People that don't understand the Barrett part, we found a Barrett connection from South Carolina. Why is that important to you?
Because my family are the Barretts from South Carolina, up in Oconee and Pickens County.
So there is the possibility that Luann has a connection to the actual general of the Alamo. It's not without possibilities. So now we'll have to do a little more research. Where are we at?
We're on the Riverwalk, and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful.
Riverwalk, San Antonio. It's about a 15-mile round tripper, but it's full of restaurants and people, a lot of activity. It's very pretty. This is the thing that if you come to San Antonio, you must do. And for some reason, there's green lights around your face. I think it's because you're an alien.
Oh.
Let me move. See, look. Now they're around my face. I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, part 2, San Antonio. See you guys later. Hey. Everybody out here is being kind of romantic and holding hands. You wanna hold hands? No, we're in a fight, actually. We're having a fight. We've managed to hike to a remote location in the mountains above San Antonio. pretty hard going. Our provisions are running low. I don't have much water, so I think I'm going to have to drink from the waterfall, but it looks like we're going to be doing an overnighter here. Oh, what? Oh, I got to go. All right, sorry.